Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because iPhone ties the hotspot name to the device name. This is the only supported way. Open Settings, then tap General, then about to check your device name. Once done, go back and open Personal Hotspot and turn it on so the change applies immediately. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and the phone is unlocked. These steps ensure the new name propagates to other devices and displays correctly. You now change the iPhone name because the hotspot username equals that device name. Tap General about Name, then type the new name. Keep it short and avoid special characters that confuse other devices. After saving, return immediately to Personal Hotspot so the system updates the hotspot broadcast. If you use iCloud or multiple Apple devices, this name will sync, so choose a name descriptive enough for easy identification across your network. Finish by verifying the change on a laptop or another phone. Open Wi-Fi and look for the new hotspot name. If devices still show the old name, make sure you save the name change, then turn Personal Hotspot off and on. Sometimes a restart is required. If clients fail to connect, forget the network on the client device and rejoin with the password. This clears cached identifiers and forces the correct username to appear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.